How to rebrand PLR from ContentSparks. In 2019, I did a challenge from ContentSparks. It's an amazing PLR source. You gotta see what it is, and all the links in this video are below this video. And they had this 10-day challenge where they had this product for time management, and you could change it, rebrand it, and make it a completely different product. You had 10 days, and how it went from this to that with a sales page, the whole schmeal. And it's amazing what you can make with PLR. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. So I talk about ContentSparks a lot on this channel. It's just a wonderful source of some of the best PLR on earth. It's business PLR, it's internet marketing PLR, it's stunning PLR. So there's a link below this video. Check them out. See what sales they have. They have sales every week, and use their PLR, and you really can turn it into a product. In 2019, it was a 10-day challenge to take one of their products and see what you could do with it. It's 10 days to change it completely. It was this one, the Time Management Course Kit. And when I opened it up, it looks like this. And like any PLR, it's rough. This is the course book. It's rough. It's not very pretty, but it's got great information. And there was an action guide, a cheat sheet, slideshow. And the thing I learned about this was you don't have to use the whole product. So I just used a few of these items. So what I did was I put everything in one folder. I just named it Time Management, of course. And this is with everything once it's done. But I'll show you what I did. So I took their course, and this is their original one. And I used the cheat sheet, I believe. And I didn't do any of the slideshow stuff. I only used a few of the graphics, none of the infographics, no emails, no blog posts, no social posts. And that was it. It had a planner for the 10-day challenge, all the rules on how to do this, the licensing and everything. So I'll show you what I was originally going to do. I was just going to take this course book, which is this one, and I was just going to turn that into an ebook, and that was going to be it. And it's a really good book for this subject. So the first thing I did was the title. I needed a better title than 3 Simple Time Management Strategies for Small Business Owners. It's like a mouthful. It's too much. It's too much. And I came up with this for the title. Where did the time go? Need more time in your day? Time management in just 7 minutes. And after a little time, I finagled that. I have a good headline now. Your perfect time management in minutes. Where did the time go? And then there's a pre-headline above that. You can get more done and earn more income in less time with ... the title, and then the subhead right under there. And the subhead was basically the original headline, but I wanted to show who this was for. Business owners who need more time in the day. It's all of us, right? So this is the course book. Remember, it looked like this. And now I changed the font, and notice I didn't really have to change much of that. I left a few of the graphics in there. Now it's prettier, it's better to look at, and it works. It really does. When I made the logo, I did that on Canva. Now, if you don't have Canva, there's a link below this video. I highly recommend Canva to do your graphics. It'll do your book covers, logos, everything. It's amazing. It's free, but I would recommend getting the monthly charge. I think it's only $12. It's worth it. I do everything graphic-wise in Canva. While I was doing the challenge, Sharon, who owns ContentSparks, she sent me a message, I think it was on Facebook, and she had a great idea. She said, why don't you take the ebook, the original ebook, and turn it into a course? Because there's 3 different steps in the original book. It was step 1, prioritize. Step 2 is plan. And step 3 is produce, PPP. And she said, why don't you turn it into 3 separate steps in your course? And I said, course? Is there enough information? Well, there is. And this is what I did. I took all the information I needed, just the pieces that I need, and I put it into this folder right here. There's the action guide, which was the cheat sheet. I have the bonuses, which I'll show you later on, the introduction, and I have a little introduction piece. I have a video, the PDF, an MP3. That's just the introduction. Then there's step 1. Remember, there are 3 steps. So step 1, it has all the pieces, the MP3, and the video, the PDFs, everything. Step 2 and step 3. And what I did was I took each one of those chapters. So this is step 1, prioritize. I would take the original PDF information and I would copy all of this, and I copy all the way to here, and this is the PDF, the final PDF, just for step 1. I did that for step 2 and step 3. And this is what I did with it. I created an online course, really, and I used Product Dyno. There's a link for this, and I highly recommend Product Dyno. It's so easy to make courses and products out of it. It's really stunningly amazing, and I highly recommend Product Dyno. I have dozens of products in it, and I make them so quickly, so well. It's just, I'm telling you, get it. And this is the course. This is the home page where I have, remember, the introduction. Here's the video. Here's the audio. And here's the introduction. You click on that. It downloads. Here's the action guide. Downloads that. And here are the step 1, 2, 3 bonuses and everything. Isn't this a real product? Of course it is. This is a real course. So let's see what it looks like. There's step 1. There's a video, an audio, and the action guide for just step 1. The same thing for step 2 and step 3. And there's a bonus. It's the distraction diffuser, and it's PLR. It's audio, and it's amazing. Look at all this. Not bad at all. And it's all in Product Dyno. I love it. And when I was ready, I made a sales page in Thrive Themes, and this is what this looks like. There's a video and a button, the bonuses, it's all there. This is a real product, folks. And you could do this. This is not that hard to do. And if you want to get this, you click on this button and it goes to this page using Thrive Cart. Everything is there. Remember, I got this from ContentSparks. Get a real product, change it, rebrand it, and turn it into something that goes from that looks like that to something like this. Look at that. This is a real product, folks. It's not that hard to do. Some of the tools, like I said, Product Dyno, it's stunningly amazing. And I'm going to do a video on how to use Product Dyno in making products. And I used VIDNAMI to make the videos. For the videos in the course, I wasn't on the screen. I used VIDNAMI. And if you want to see what it looks like and sounds like, step 1, prioritize. Learning how to properly prioritize is the #1 way to boost your productivity tenfold. Nice. This is the audio. Step 1, it's the same thing. Prioritize. And everything is in Product Dyno. If you want to find out about VIDNAMI, I have a link below this video on how to get 25% off lifetime. You'll love VIDNAMI and Product Dyno and ContentSparks. And this is how you create products and make money online with PLR. Folks, you can really do this. This is not that hard to do. Just take the time, figure out what you need to do, and finish the product. Take the PLR that you already have and turn it into money. So I'm Brian Toder of PLR Ideas, and we'll talk soon.